Initial stock upload. Scenario overview. In this scenario, we are going to discuss how to load stock initially into the bins of different storage types. We have a warehouse which we have created copying the template model company warehouse. Now we will upload stock into this warehouse. While uploading stock, we are going to understand how stock upload is done during initial stock entry in a warehouse. So the benefits from this process: we can manage stock at bin level. We will demonstrate the stock upload capability that is used during the cutover when we are going live for a plant. We will also understand the format of the CSV file used to upload stock into the system. While testing this process, we are going to follow below process steps. 1. We are going to upload stock into different storage types of the warehouse by using the upload template. We are going to use a CSV file which is provided by SAP. The CSV file already has predefined data which are required for executing the model company and best practice processes. We'll upload that file and we'll have stock updated into the system into several storage types which can be further used by us for testing several processes in our new warehouse. Our aim is to use the same file format which has all the stock information for executing the best practice processes and modify the file format to our new warehouse that we have created and upload the file format in the system which will give us the stock into our new warehouse. After uploading the stocks, we are going to verify the material documents that were created using the stock upload. We are going to see the stock in the warehouse monitor. We can trace back which handling units, which products got uploaded into which bins, the quantities that were uploaded. We will also check the stock at plant and storage location level in ERP. So here with this process, I have attached the stock upload files that have been provided by SAP. We will be modifying this file and uploading similar stock for our new warehouse. Let's get started and demonstrate the steps in system. Once you download the CSV files on your local machine, just open one of them. You will see there is a lot of data in CSV file. This is for the SAP warehouse or the template warehouse. I'm just going to replace the entry BP1710 by BPWH23. So this is the party entitled to dispose and the owner. So let me save this CSV file after making the changes. So this way, we have to change all the CSV files to replace the party entitled to dispose and owner for all the CSV files. Create batch. Let us now go and create batches for the product which is batch managed. So before we load stock, we'll have to create batches for those products in system. Here I am creating the batches manually. The batch managed product is EWM S420 and I'm creating batch INIT_AQ. Our plant is PL23. In the classification view, the country of origin is AQ. This batch is classified based on the country of origin and we make sure that country of origin Antarctica AQ is maintained for this batch. Let me save the batch. So make sure you create your batches before you load the stocks. Upload stock is the Fiori tile for loading initial stock into the system. We'll enter our warehouse and select the file for which we have just changed the party entitled to dispose and owner. This file is for loading stock in storage type Y011. After selecting the file, we'll click on upload. So here you can see all the data from the file is uploaded. There is product EWM S 401. The party entitled to dispose has come up correctly. The quantity 8 CAR. The packaging material, the handling rate numbers have also come up. I'll click on start stock data transfer for the stock to get loaded into the system. So once it gets loaded, we'll get a message. Here is the message: warehouse task 1, all the zeros 10 created. Stock is now being uploaded in EWM and ERP. Let us go and validate that. Material document overview Fiori tile. Let us go and view the material document that got generated with this file upload. Select the document here. I'll enter my plant. In stock change, I'll select stock increase. I'll enter the year 2020 material document here. And for material, there are several products that have been uploaded. So I will click on show all items and I will select all the products which have a prefix EWM S4. I'll select them and click on OK. Click on Go for system to carry out the search. And here we are. There are several material documents. Let us move on to a material document. I'll pick up the latest material document. It's 49 with all the zeros 23. I'll double click to open this material document. The material document is opening. So in the delivery note, you can see this is the warehouse task number that our warehouse WH23 generated when we uploaded the stock, and the movement type that has been used for posting this initial stock entry is 561. The material document and accounting document is created, and you can see the products and their quantity as well. So location is W23S. Let us go in warehouse monitor now and validate the stock at bin level. In warehouse monitor, I'll enter my warehouse. I'll use standard SAP monitor SAP and I'll click on execute. I will go to stock and bin. Physical stock. I will enter EWM S4 star to select all products with this prefix. Execute. These are the standard products that we are going to use for our testing. These are the SAP provided products that we are going to use for our testing. So here you can see in storage type Y011 several bins are there in which the handling units are uploaded. EWM17 HU28 is the first handling unit. The product is EWM S for 20. This is a batch managed product, so a batch got updated for 6 pieces. And you can see several other information like GR date, GR time, the total quantity 6 pieces, the weight, volume, and you can validate all these details for all other bins. There are several bins into which we have uploaded stock. Once you upload all the Excel files, you will get stock in Y021, Y041, 42, 51, 52 storage type, and you will also get stock in Y061 storage type. Repeat these steps for all the CSV files that have been provided by SAP. Change the party entitled to dispose and owner. Upload your stock for our warehouse. After uploading, you will get stock in all storage type Y011, Y021, 41, Y061, Y051, Y052. So by this way, we have stock in all the storage types that we are planning to use for our scenario execution. Thank you very much.